Hey there, people. Why would I upload a video like this where I bang into walls and can barely fly it? Because I'm probably like most of the people out there who buy this stuff, not like the pros who fly around and know exactly what they're doing when they fly a FPV drone in their basement. I am just figuring this stuff out. I'm still figuring this stuff out. I haven't been doing this a whole year. So, guess what? This is what it looks like when you buy a drone. And actually, I bought this used and I don't even have my OSD set up. What is OSD? On-screen display. I thought I did, but I think I need to go in and run some OSD tool or HD preset or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I've got all the stuff though. That's usually the way it works with this FPV thing is you buy all the stuff and then you try to learn how to fly it as you're buying all the stuff, and then you buy more stuff because you break the stuff. So you end up with a whole lot of stuff and not a whole lot of ability to fly. But you get there. So I'm in what's called angle mode right now. Acro mode is what I fly outdoors, but indoors I usually stick to angle mode, which means the gyroscope is kind of flying it for me a little bit. It keeps it level, keeps trying to go back to level. So as I put input on my new Radio Master, what is it called? A Radio Master Pocket Rocket. Yeah, so I set up the Pocket. This is the first time flying my Pocket with this. And this is what it looks like. Kind of bounce into stuff. That's what's nice about Whoops, though, is they have these protectors around the what are they called? Propellers. Yeah, propellers. It's got Whoops around them, so you can bump into stuff. The other thing that's fun with Whoops is if you get next to a wall, they tend to become magnets. I could probably pick up another video and show you what that is here at the end of this. But yeah, it's kind of fun too, where you get up next to something solid, and the Whoops turn it into a 90-degree orientation where it's just sucking itself to the wall. So anyway, this is my flight. This is my first flight. I did change the rates and a bunch of other things. If you want to know that, ask me in the comments below. But this has a O3 air unit made by DJI. I'm wearing the goggles too. And that's about it for today. Christmas time is coming up. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. That's it for now.